Yo, what's good, guys? Producer Mykah here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a Blaise kind of beat. You know, Blaise is an amazing producer. He has produced lots of hits back to back. I'm gonna be drawing inspiration from Penson and Ruga's latest project. The title of the song is called Baby. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DAW so I show you guys how you can do this. I've used Audimi to convert the vocals. All right, so let's just quickly go, and I'm just gonna get some nice one shots. And Blaise has this unique one shot. You know, most of his songs, you know, with this kind of pattern, you know, it's just the kick and the snare and the conga, but you know, it's as clean as, you know, as you can hear it. So quickly we are gonna be trying to, you know, come up with something like that. So I've gotten some nice percussions and some nice kicks. So quickly I'm just gonna drag it into, you know, my channel rack. So I have some rim. Tempo of the song is 95 bpm. So quickly I'm just gonna drag, you know, my tempo down to 95 bpm. Let's just use a swing of, let's say, 13%, and I'm gonna start with my rim shot. So just gonna quickly just, you know, arrange the rim. So we have this kind of bounce. Let me turn on my metronome. Before then, let me just put the kick, because the kick is basically a steady kick. So something like this. So let's go with our rim. Yeah, then with our conga. Yeah, something like this. Then some nice percussions going with it. So something like this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go to my piano roll, you know, just increase the velocity so this sounds hit really hard. Yeah. So then my kick, just increase my kick also. Basically, this is just, you know, this is just the bounce. Yeah, nice. I love the way everything is sounding. So we have some nice kicks, some nice snares, and guys, this is as easy as the bounce can go. Nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it down here, and I'm gonna split by channel. So, you know, all the drums can be on a different insert. So I'm just gonna go over to and just put my soft clipper there, you know, so everything is in check. We are not clipping. Yeah. Vibes. So this is basically everything. So quickly I'm just gonna go straight into creating, you know, the melodies. Yeah. So I know for the vocals, what I just do always is just to add some nice reverb, and I'm gonna be using the pop plate reverb. Very simple reverb. Yeah, nice. So quickly we're just gonna go over to creating the melodies, and it started with this amazing melody. I've heard that plugin, I've heard that plug sound somewhere, but I can't actually remember. So I'm just gonna, you know, use a replacement for it. And if you guys know that exact plug, just let me know. But I'm gonna be using a plug from Hive. I don't know if you know this plugin. So let's just go to our preset and just go with this plug. So this is what the plug sounds like. You know, I know it's not, you know, the same as what was used, but you know, you get the idea. So this is what it sounds like. Sounds like this. Yeah, it's very nice. Very simple melodies. All right, so I think the notes are this. So I'm just gonna go over and just adjust my notes, and we have this. Yeah, so I think we have this. These are the notes. So next thing I'm gonna do is, like, I had this pad, you know, going along with the melody. So I'm just gonna go over and just use Analog Lab 4 to add that pad. So just a simple pad, and I'm gonna be using this pad I've always used, which is this pad, very soft underwater droplet pad. Yeah, so those are just the notes, simple chord progression. Yeah, so just go along all through. Nice. So I getting the vibe. We're getting the vibe. So the next thing I'm gonna add, I'm just gonna layer it with another sound. Trust me, guys. Most sounds you hear out there are layered. And I'm just gonna go over to Exhale, and then go over to the note sections, and I'm gonna be using this Soul Vortex. And I'm just gonna copy the chord progression, go over to my next pattern, and and this is what it sounds like. Yeah, I love it. I love the sound of it. So let's detach that so it shows well, shows fully. Yep, so what I'm gonna be doing here, I'm just gonna bring down the wet or bring it up. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so let's put that down together. So I have this. Then the next thing is this bass, and I'm sure Blaise Beat is a bassist, because some notes you hear, man, you be like, no, this must be a bassist. So I'm gonna be using Trillion bass for that, to get that realistic kind of bass. I'm sure the bass was played live. I don't really know, or maybe he used a plugin. But I'm gonna be using Trillion bass to try to get that same effect is using, and I'm using this preset called Clean Fender Mute Full Range, and let's create our bass. So it starts with the root notes. Then go to but there's something, I think, in between the notes, there were like some ghost note, or let's call it passing. Yeah, something like that. So this is it. This is what it sounds like. So just like tapping when you're playing your bass. If you're a bassist, or you've played the bass before, when you're playing your bass, you can just tap it just to give it some groove. So that's what I'm actually trying to create here. So let me put it with everything, so I'll be able to, with the drums, let me just turn off the melody, just the bass and the drums, so we get the groove. So at this point, there was a change of bass. I think we added this note. So let's see. Yeah. Nice vibes. So let's put it with the vocals and let's see. Me up tonight. Mykah play with your beat tonight. Let me and you tonight. I'm so hungry tonight. Make me happy tonight. If you smoke back it tonight, then I'm gonna give you back it tonight. Oh, baby. Yeah, so I think that's it. Then the next part, like an 808 came in. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add this slide bass. I'm gonna go over to Splice and just search for a slide bass slide. Yeah, this. Yeah, so I'm also gonna just go look for an FX. Let's call this FX transition and see what we can get. So we have this. But I'm gonna give it some effect, so it's nice. So it bleeds in. Then we have this nice flute, that was there also. Oh, Blaise has some amazing melodies, man. Like, shout out to Blaise, man. Shout out to Blaise. Clean 808, or some nice 808 bass slides. And I'm gonna use this. Let me just bring down the release a little bit, go over to, and just make sure we're on the right key. So let's create our 808 bass. All right, so let's just layer that there. So something like this. Yeah, something like this. Then I'm gonna have this. Yeah, so I think something like this. Yeah. Limiter. Let's just sidechain that, and I'm gonna bring it down a little bit, bring down the gain. Yeah, okay, so I think this came in for like 2 bars and we had more melodies. Yeah, so then next I think there was this muted guitar, so I'm just gonna go over to Nexus. It's been a while I actually used Nexus, so let's go to Nexus. So I'm just gonna go over to the XP guitars. Yeah, I think I'll use this. So let's go with this, and
make with the most, baby. Don't call me off my dance. You don't, baby. I go sad, I miss you, baby.
Let's see. I think it's around this one.
Oh, baby. I'm feeling good, baby. I know you should feel it too, baby. She make with the most, baby. Don't call me off my dance. You don't, baby. I go sad, I miss you.
Yeah, I think there was a flute, so I'm just gonna try to add a whistle. How this whistler, it doesn't sound like theirs, but we're gonna use that just to give it. So I'm gonna use this human whistle. Create this. I just have this whistle, and yeah, so this is close to what the whistle sounds like. Sounds like this.
Me up tonight, I the Yankee tonight. Make a play with your beat tonight. Now me and you tonight.
Yeah, nice. So next I'm gonna add in some strings. I'm gonna go over to expand to get some nice strings that I'm gonna add. So I think then we went back to the verse.
Now me and you tonight. I'm so hungry tonight. Make me happy tonight. If you smoke back it tonight, then I'm gonna give you back it tonight. Oh baby,
I think there are some drum fills, but
give you back it tonight. Oh baby, I'm feeling.
But just to know, to create realistic bass lines, you just need to add some nice ghost notes in between, just like you tapping the guitar, and it's gonna give it that bounce. So let's just listen from the top, guys, and let's see. This is a vibe, man. Hey.
Show come me off my dance. You ain't drunk, baby. I go sad, I miss you, baby. Show my pretty move, baby. Cause it man. Come a ladder when it was.
Big shout out to Blaise, big shout out to him, man. I really love his production. So I hope you guys got something from this. If you did, let me know in the comment section. Say something nice, and if you are yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you definitely get notified when next I post. And if you're in the Patreon, you're definitely gonna get access to this FLP so you play around with. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Peace.